Good morning. I feel better than yesterday. That is for sure. So, I didn't eat a whole lot yesterday, as you saw from my video. And so, I'm going to play it by ear today and see how I feel. But this morning, I am drinking a new flavor of ketones. I am drinking mint chip cream. And so far, I'm liking it. I'm not a huge, like, mint flavor person, but it tastes good. It tastes like mint chocolate chip. So that is good. Our school zones have changed as of this morning. Everything is now 30 kilometers in the school zone. So I'm probably going to have to... Nice way to speed. Anyways, I'm probably going to have to leave a few minutes earlier, starting right away. Otherwise, I will be late because apparently it takes a little longer. So, this morning we have the trailer going out. I'm not sure if today is the last day. Right now, it is, see, that one still hasn't changed. So they changed some of the signs, but not all of them. So the one facing this way says 30. The one facing that way says 40. The one facing this way says 30. I think they need to make up their minds. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just going to do 30 because I don't want to get a ticket, and there is a photo radar box right here. So, yeah. So anyways, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to play today by ear. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I am going to quite possibly, if I do have lunch, it'll just be like eggs. Something simple, something my stomach is okay with handling. And yeah, so I'm gonna see how I feel. But anyways, so I just thought I would pop on and say good morning. And hopefully today is a busy day. I don't think it's going to be. I don't think we're going to do very well in sales because we are the only truck on the plaza today. And yeah. So anyways, we're gonna go. So that's good. And we will be, this afternoon I have a bunch of things that I need to get done for work stuff. I need to cash out from last game, which I missed, and I need to do up the change so that I can go get change either later today or tomorrow, and then get ready for Sunday's game. Yay. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I guess that's it. So I am going to finish driving to work, and I will see you guys when and if I decide to eat. Hey guys, so I am having lunch just a little bit after 5:30. I'm a little bit hungry right now, and so I thought I would eat now, and then maybe we'll eat a little bit earlier tonight because Chris is off early. So I saw today Ashley from O Crow Gal posted a picture of her BLT, and I'm like, yes please. So I made a chaffle BLT for lunch. So that is it, and I will see you guys whenever we make dinner. Hey guys, so here is dinner. We decided to just stop at Wendy's and pick up some salads. This is the Southwest salad, and then I made some more pumpkin spice latte type drink for myself because I'm a little cold and I want to warm up before bed. So yeah, so that is dinner, and that's it for the day. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and thanks so much for watching.